I was gonna keep this.
Keep it on.
Oh, that's actually impressive. Don't fall and kick him and drop all the glass. No, 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 no. Oh. They're already on their way because they know Dean's on a barrel. So we'll pump this, put it in the car. And
no sparks happening here, boys.
Jesus Christ.
Yep, that's for losers.
That's for losers.
Oh, yes. Chrysler, baby.
Chrysler.
Dude, I want to buy another one of these. How did we buy two of these?
What's it cost to fill a Ferrari F12 with 110 race fuel? We have no idea because there's no gauge.
$13 a gallon? That's an expensive fill. 20 gallon tank?
How much to fill it?
$348 to fill it.
You'll never guess how much it costs by Ferrari.
The best part is it's coming out of Dave's salary.
So it's 24 gallon tank.
Yes.
It gets about 10 miles to the gallon.
Yes.
Roughly. Equates to about $3.50 every mile it's going to cost you to drive this in fuel alone.
$3.50 a mile, and it's 25 miles to Happy Jewelers, so it's 50 miles round trip.
That's $175 to go to Happy Jewelers.
Holy shit. Holy shit.
I'm not driving this. This is all you, baby. You're rich.
Do we want to take this, or should we take the SVJ?
Oh my.
We'll take this.
Oh my God, okay.
Oh, I thought the money was never an issue. You're like, oh, that don't make sense.
Just to go and meet Skinny. Skinny better appreciate us going to Happy Jewelers.
How many the boys will like it?
We'll go see the boys. I don't have watches at the moment. Skinny got a new ring. There we go.
Get out there, bud. There you go.
Just what I need to know. What my heart rate's at when I'm around Dean Carnage. Airstrike. We got our own gas pump.
Do one more high five. One more high five.
Oh man, he's got muscle behind that.
It's all the anger.
Basic needs. Go for a drive.
You know what they call Dean in his afterlife? Detail Dean. $175 drive.
Like, you're watching at home right now, not really getting the experience. When you look straight, all the fumes from the gas is burning causes your vision to blur. Like, it's super crazy, the noise. This car is an experience. You gotta experience it. If you're a Ferrari purist like me, you gotta experience this car.
I'll tell you this, just so you know, Dave, once it warms up, it actually gets more tolerable. In the beginning, it's the worst.
Jesus. It's very angry.
It's pretty angry.
Wow.
I be calling plays from a plane while I'm off court, but we ain't the same. You a lame.
Well, first successful drive in the F12.
Yeah, didn't have to use the fire extinguisher. We made it. We made it one way. We're here. Dave's a looking and Davey's a liking.
Oh yeah, let me know those boys.
That's a nice car, all murdered out like that.
Dude, they're sick.
Skinny's here, buying more.
They're extremely nice. Happy Jewelers makes you happy.
It's no bull. We don't promote stupid people.
Probably stop promoting Dean then. we're headed to a car show that Skinny found out about, and apparently there's lots of supercars as well as hypercars, and Skinny even got us little arm badges so we can actually get in here and check out some cool cars. Already, what do we see, Damon? And I see an SVJ, some McLarens.
I'm my king of the jungle, I stand for the pride. Beat on my chest, that's the rhythm inside. I got so much heart, I'm burning with fire. Can't stop, won't stop till I drop. Keep climbing for the top. Simmer down, you too loud, people around. You can try, but I won't stop, won't stop. Won't stop.
I love me an SVJ. Oh yeah. Here we go. SVJ. Yo! Let's hear it, brother. Let's hear it. Let's go! Yeah! Look at my old car! Dude, got the magnesium wheels too. That's a legit build. That's a good build. That's a nice build, man. Let's hear it. So clean. Oh, hell yeah. A Verde SVJ. Beautiful car, man. Love this spec. I love green. I'm a huge green fan. What we got here? Oh, this thing sounds nuts. This thing sounds legit. That's loud. That reminds me of my straight pump exhaust before the twin turbo.
Top dog, top flow, boss mode. I'm the kingpin, showstopper, top dog, Godfather. I'm the kingpin. They know I'm a dog and a beast, man. Yeah, I keep the peace with a peace, man. I ain't got no time for a piece, man. Why would I respond to a pawn? I'm the... If I let my dogs off the leash, they do my work to get out of Dodge, run and eat. Honestly, they can smell the blood and the beef. They don't leave anything behind after eating. I can see you soft, ever thought about retreating. If you never have, then they'll give you a reason. Better watch your tone, lose your bass when you speaking. Underneath the mask is the wrath of a bitch. When you learn how to smile in their face, then go cutthroat. Then they wanna call you a con when the blood cold.